So here we go. It's always nice to find out you have a check engine light on your 2007 British vehicle. There it is. Lovely, lovely. So I think I'd like Monmouth Range Rover, they charge $264 an hour just for them to look at the damn thing. So what we're going to do is I have what's called an OBD tool here. I shall plug it right underneath. Let's see it. Right over there. Plug it in and it should activate. What you do is turn the key on, put the key on in the first position. Not quite turn it on, and let's see what happens. I think you must link, and then let's see what happens if you hit the erase button. Let's see, erasing clears all problems. Let's hit OK. Enter. One moment, please. Erase successful. Press any hotkey. Now let's see what happens if I turn off the vehicle. Unplug it, okay? And I shall disconnect the item. Let's see what happens. Et voilà, en français, ce n'est pas là. Which means it is not there anymore. Yeah, this is my 07 beater. My other car is a little smaller. Check engine light gone except for the TPMS sensor. So have a nice day.